Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Botim call history in 2026. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you just have to simply open your Botim application on your phone, then log into your account if you haven't already. Now over here by default, you will be in the chats section, but you just have to tap on the option of this calls tab here in the bottom. Now when you are here inside the calls tab, right away in this particular section you are going to see your voice calls, your video calls, any of the missed calls, and even your grouped call history. So inside this particular calls tab you will see your latest call activity sorted by the date and the contact name. So Botim stores both incoming and the outgoing call records automatically inside the application. So you can also tap on any of the call record in order to view more details about it. If you have many calls, you can also use the search bar to quickly find a specific content or older call history. So this is useful in order to check the past business or any kind of family calls faster. So that's how you can basically find it. Thank you.